how to generate leads in digital marketing. Well, the digital era has changed the way we do business. Gone are the days where promoting your business means taking out a newspaper advertisement or launching a flyer campaign or knocking door to door, right? Now it has become important for marketers to keep up with the demand of their prospect by building a well-researched lead generation machine. Hi guys, my name is Ishan, and in this video we will talk about the methods to generate leads in digital marketing. Generating leads may take some days or even some months as well. So make it easier for you so that you can get maximum leads. I have come up with the most effective points to help you grow your business with desired and qualified leads. But before that, just hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel as well. So the first step to help you get leads in digital marketing is web page optimization. When you have entered into the world of digital marketing, you have to make sure that your web page is in a good state. That means you need to check whether it is functioning properly or not. So if there any loading error or a low speed problem, or maybe there is any bad interface, there would be a low chance of bringing more leads. Okay, with the advancement in technology, we have so many tools available so that you can scan the problems that your website might be facing. Try the tools available and resolve all the errors that are coming in between your success of the business. Okay, so make sure you are having a web page fully optimized. Now the second point to generate leads, talk about conducting A/B testing. A/B testing is basically a process of comparing two versions of the web page or an email or any other marketing asset, then measuring the performance. It is a powerful method of optimizing web page as it helps the visitors to stay on the site for a longer time. Conducting A/B testing will help you in determining which version of your web page is getting better results, and then you can scale it easily. Okay, as A/B testing comes with the thousands of benefits, like it improves user experience, plus it also reduces bounce rate. Okay, so in order to generate leads in digital marketing, you must also follow and experiment with this. Now without any further delay, let's discuss the third point of maximizing leads, that says creating a mobile friendly website. See, there is not much difference between desktop website or mobile website. The only difference, or you can say change, in mobile website is that features like navigation drop down are somewhat limited. That's it, nothing else. So for a smooth experience, you must create a mobile friendly website. Because there are maximum number of people who use mobile phones to search the website or even to read an email, Google has a mobile friendly website tester called PageLead Insight to check whether you have a mobile friendly view or not. So use it and check whether you have a mobile friendly website or not. Basically, in PageSpeed Insight, you just have to insert the URL of your web page and click on the analyze button that will be there at the right side itself in the blue box. This tool will show you the results like your web page is mobile friendly. If it is not a mobile friendly website, that is also mention the reason behind it, like including the solution and how you can make your website a mobile friendly one. Okay, once you are done resolving the issue, you will then be able to view the mobile version of your website. The mobile friendly website helps to load the web page quickly even if there is low internet connections. So in digital marketing, it is generally preferred. You know that 69% of online traffic comes from smartphone users. So you must not miss any chance to get maximum leads. Okay, so better create a mobile friendly website in order to get leads. Every business has different lead generation strategies that help them in succeeding further. Moreover, generating new leads is not something like a piece of cake. It takes time and also require a process to identify which part or which area need improvement and how to work upon it. And this way, by following the point I covered above, you will be able to generate leads in digital marketing. So with this, we have come to the end of this video, and at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. Okay. I look forward to engaging with you in this group. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.